Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and as you can see by our radar, we have plenty of cloud cover throughout the Delta. We also have some showers that have broken out, mainly to our north and east parts of Greenwood, Coffeyville, and Oxford, and Clarksdale. You all are getting showers at this time. Now, what does that mean for your Sunday? I'll have your forecast coming up as the Delta News at 10 Weekend Edition starts right now.
News that works for you. This is the Delta News at 10.
Outside our studios right now, we still have that heavy deck of clouds outside, and it's still, well, the temperatures are not feeling too bad out there. I'll have your out-the-door forecast after the break. Welcome back. As you can see, we have some showers. They're really light in nature. They are moving from west to east. We have some light showers in parts of Clarksdale, Tunica, and Oxford. It's also a stray shower, but I think that's mainly the satellite picking up some cluster for the most part in parts of Greenville. As I looked outside, it was still pretty dry outside. We just had that heavy deck that was outside. But one thing, if you happen to be out and about tonight, just be mindful. It may be some patchy fog around. We do have some warnings that keep popping in and out, so just be mindful if you're out and about tonight. Looking at your out-the-door forecast, for 9 a.m. Sunday, we are looking at mostly cloudy conditions, 50 degrees, and then by 1 p.m., I still think it's going to remain dry, 63 degrees, and then by 5 p.m., we may begin to start to see some showers with overcast skies, 66 degrees. Now, as we look at our almanac, we reached a high of 56 degrees in both Greenville and Greenwood. The low temperatures, 40 and 38 respectively, and we didn't set any records. We're long ways from this, upper 70s to low 80s, and no precipitation to speak of. Now, looking at our low temperatures tonight, we're looking at the low to mid 40s, which is pretty comfortable for this time of the year. We're looking at 41 for Batesville, 42 for Grenada, 43 for Carrollton and Kosciuszko, 45 for Chula, and 46 for Yazoo City. And as we go out to the west here, we're looking at 44 for Lake Village and 42 for McGee. Now, as we look at our forecast temperature radar here, for Sunday, we're going to move up into the mid to upper 60s, 1 or 2 70s if you're going down to the coast. And as you can see, by Monday, we will have a front, a very strong and potent front to move through. And what's going to happen, that's going to give us a heavy line of showers and thunderstorms. And behind that, we're going to be looking at the colder temperatures. And that's what's reflected here by 8 p.m. on Monday. You're looking at 40 degrees projected in Greenville and 38 for Monticello. Now, looking at our futurecast, again, we're going to put that into motion. We see the clouds for Sunday, and there's that sharp line of showers and storms that we expect to move through for the time frame we're looking at least by Monday morning into the midday. That's where we expect some of those storms to be heavy in nature. So the Storm Prediction Center has kind of put out an advisory in terms of the a slight risk of severe storms. And that means that it's a possibility that the elements in place could give us some opportunities for some hail and some strong storms. But we're going to keep monitoring that. But in the most part, once those showers and storms move through, we will have some clouds. But the thing about it is it will be a lot colder. It will be feeling like winter. Now, looking at our futurecast, this is the line, and what you see, those half circles there, that's the warm front. That's the warm sector. As it moves through a little bit further, that's going to be the cold front that will be moving through after Monday, and that's when temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 20s at night and then in the 40s during the day. Now, looking at our radar and clouds, we're going to zoom in down to our area here, and I just skipped ahead of that, and I didn't mean to do that, but what we're looking at again is still, it's going to be kind of day, a weather aware, a weather alert day that you really want to be careful about because we can have those strong storms. Now looking at the week ahead here, Sunday, we're posting at least 20% chance for showers. And then by Monday, we're looking at 90%. And then we should be dry for the rest of the week with an outside chance by Friday, 20% for rain. Yazoo River levels are coming down gradually. We're below flood stage, which is very good news, 22.5 feet. That's the projection. And then for the Mississippi, we're looking at levels to be down at 35.9 below flood stage. Now looking at your forecast, we remain mostly cloudy, still cool, 44 degrees. And then for tomorrow, cloudy with a chance of an afternoon shower, breezy conditions, 67 degrees. And then we're looking at that 7-day forecast. And with that 7-day forecast, it's going to get kind of breezy. It's going to be a warm breeze. But then we are looking at those showers and storms to kind of be a problem on Monday, 69 degrees. And then on Tuesday, things will be getting quite cool.
All right. Wow. So we will definitely have to keep our umbrellas out as well
yes.
as kind of chilly. What a messy weather day.
Well, you know what? That's, you know, for this time of the year, we're kind of looking towards things being more winter-like. But, you know, when you're in the Delta, it always gets warm and then cold.
Yeah.
It's kind of that knee-jerk reaction.
Okay. Well, thanks so much, Karen.